Okay, this is just a quick tip. Stumbled upon this after maybe 15 years of working with dates, and keyboard shortcuts didn't appear to be working for me, so I kind of gave up on them. But more recently, I saw that they were working, so I'm on just a basic NetSuite form. As I come into this form, it starts off with the default date, which is today. But indeed, if I hold down the Alt key and use the left arrow and the right arrow, it increments the dates as it's supposed to, which is great, by a day. If you actually hit home, you actually get to the beginning of the month. If I hit end, I get to the end of the month. If I hit page up, I go up a month, go down a month. So that's great for people who are doing a lot of data entry and so forth. That can be quite helpful. The next thing I just wanted to show is the concept of being able to do math inside fields. So I'm down in the line machine here. I can just type something like 20 plus 25. I get 45. That works. In other fields, though, like this one, it won't work. If I do 20 plus 25, notice it only goes to 20. Sometimes it seems like you can hit the equal sign, 20 plus 25. I'll get an invalid number percentage. I believe this is due to the type of field it is, but it is good to know that you can actually do some math inside fields, and this can be helpful.